if you guys remember, but a while back we reviewed a place called Pizza Ranch, and one of the biggest compliments on Pizza Ranch was their staff was probably it was like after effects of the pandemic, and they just opened during, I think it was 2021, but they were the hardest working staff I've seen. So we're going to go back because they have a promotion called the Sicilian Pizza. So we're going to see how their Sicilian pizza is, and we'll let you know. I know there's tons of locations, and a lot of you love Pizza Ranch, so we'll check that out. We'll take a taste again on their Nashville hot chicken to see if it's still standing strong, and we'll let you know what it looks like. We'll get you in close, okay? So this is the promotion we're here for. You can see how good they did on a Sicilian pizza. And the beauty is you can either buy the pre-made ones, or you can go ahead and order your own and pick up your own pizza. We've never done that before, but I hear good things about the special requested pizzas, and they'll give you a pager. Okay, so I tried to order a Sicilian pizza, and I know you can order any pizza you want. The guy says I have to eat it off the buffet. I'm like, well, I kind of wanted certain toppings, and he says, yeah, we prefer you eat off the buffet. And I'm like, no, I know it says buffet your way, and you can order any pizza you want. So the weird thing is, I'm just kind of looking around, but the weird thing is, I know any other day with any other person, this guy just doesn't want to take my order, I guess. But you can order any pizza you want. That's what I've been told, and that's what I've seen. Except today, I guess. But anyway, so that's a little bit of a bummer. So I'm going to be eating their pizza that's been sitting out for probably an hour. And I'm going to taste it and give you my opinion, okay? So we'll try the Sicilian. That's why I came here. Tried to get a fresh one made, but that's not an option. So that was a little surprising. But let me go get some plates, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I just learned some more information. Basically, the Italian chopped salad, lettuce with the pepperonis in it, and the pepper cheese in it. I just spoke with the lady, and she said she can never keep it full. It goes so fast. So the Italian promotion is working really well. We got the Sicilian pizza and the Italian chopped salad, and she says everything's been great. Okay, so I see the sauce on the pizza. I see the sausage and the pepperonis and the onions and some green stuff. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure it's something Italian. But anyway, let's give it a try and see if it's worth it. I kind of wanted a fresh one, but this one came off the, this is probably the only good looking piece that was on the buffet. Let's try it. Just like I thought, it's cold, so it's been sitting out quite a while, so I really can't give you a hot off the grill type of a review. The meat's cold, the sauce is cold, the cheese is cold, everything's cold. If it was warm, I could imagine if it was warm, I probably would really have liked the flavors together. Much better, it's fresh, you can feel it, it's squishy, it's nice. Smells good too. Let me try. That's way better. That definitely puts the score for the Sicilian pizza up to like an A-. I have to say, don't settle for cold. Stand there, wait for warm, night and day. Very impressed with the flavors. All of it comes together really well. And the Italian chopped salad, it's awesome.